Bob, so it's true your mom has knee pain in both knees?
Yes, and we are going to show you 6 things to try.
Excellent. Well,
Plus, we're going to do a giveaway.
did you? I hope you did these with your mom already.
Right, I
Oh,
did.
okay.
Right.
So let's see how
And my
things turned
brother.
out.
Right.
All right.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
The first one, massage the popliteus. It's a small muscle in the back of the knee, which is right here, where Sam is helping us. This blue tape here is showing where it goes, and it plays an important role on the mechanics of the knee.
It can really wreak havoc on the.
Right. So how are we going to address this, Bob?
Go ahead and take a stool bed,
Oh, I'll take the stool.
and you can come over by me,
Mm-hmm.
and you're going to use your hands to massage.
Right. So we can do it in a seated position
Right.
like this. Prop the knee up.
I wouldn't even put the knee down like this.
But you're going to have your foot rested,
Right,
so the
right.
leg is relaxed.
Right.
Okay. And then, I like to use my middle finger, my ring finger, and I get in there, and we're going to work across that muscle at an angle like this. Okay. And you can work this in.
And you'll know because Mom winces.
Did your mom win?
Yeah, well, absolutely.
And after a minute or two of
It was a little better,
yeah.
right?
So as you massage it, and you're going to get in, not really deep, but deep enough.
Pretty deep.
And yeah, it kind of depends on how the body type
Yeah,
of the
what
person.
she tolerates.
Yep. But it should feel a little bit better after
Right.
some time.
Maybe a minute or two,
Yep.
and do both sides.
Both knees. Okay, in a seated position, out of bed, or if you've been sitting in a chair, simply do what we call long arc quads or kicks. And they're simple. It's just like this.
It's going to warm up the knee.
Yep, it's going to get that synovial fluid moving in there. And I've had so much success with this. People say
Right.
it doesn't cure it, but it helps.
Right. It's like it lubricates it.
Right. Get things warmed up. Make sure you kick as high as you can and down. At about this cadence, 10 on a knee is adequate.
So you do the massage, and then you do 10 of those
Yep.
each leg,
Yep.
and you have her walk to the bed. We're going to do the next one in bed.
Oh, I understand.
I talk funny. Oh, number 3, you have Mom lie flat in bed, and you have her lift her butt like this 10 times.
Hey, and sometimes, if you're working with them, sometimes it helps to hold their feet if their feet are slipping on the bed. And there you go. And a little cheering on, good job, Bob, work it out to 10.
Dolores.
Yeah, well, I was pretend. Yeah, your mom's name is Dolores?
Right.
It's a nice name. I have an aunt named Dolores.
With an O?
I don't know how to spell it. All right, the next thing you do is massage the adductors or the inner thigh muscles. Sometimes they can become very tight. The other muscles aren't working as well, so they take up the slack. And you can do it by hand, but if you have a massage gun, we're going to recommend it. It works very well. You need to have a massage gun that reciprocates.
Left one there.
And you put the ball head on. We don't want to go directly into it. It's going to be too aggressive. Turn the massage gun sideways. So not like this. You can see it's beating my hand up. Turn it this way, and you get a much gentler and a very controllable massage.
Yeah, Mom was very tender.
Oh, yes. So those muscles were tight.
Right.
Yep.
Absolutely.
And you're going to work on these massage muscles. Make sure you communicate with the person and
Yep.
get some feedback.
Well, you'll see.
Yeah, they'll talk to you
Yeah.
whether it feels
There you
good
go.
or not. And you're going to do that for about a minute on each thigh. All right, the next muscle group to address, and what we're going to do is stretch these long hip flexors. There's a rectus femoris and a sartorius, very long muscles, and there's a special stretching technique, and I'll show you. Have the person, so if this was Dolores, can you get to the edge of the bed?
Don't let her fall.
Not your shoulders, just the butt, just so this leg comes over the edge. Make sure you hold it so they're comfortable and relaxed. I'm going to put one hand here under the knee and get over here so you can see it. Let the foot come down.
We have her bring this leg up.
Yep. You're going to hold that, Dolores. Now let this leg come down, but make sure you tell the person if you're doing this at home to give you good feedback. This should not create any sharp pain. That's way too aggressive. A gentle stretch. And when you bring the foot back like this, it could become painful. So do this very gently, very slowly. If I'm doing this with a person, I'm on this side so I can see the person's
Right.
face and watch their eyes.
Ow!
Some people think they have to put up with the pain, but you'll see the pain in their eyes and then back off. It's a gentle stretch, not aggressive.
And you do both sides.
Right. So then the person doesn't need to
Right.
turn around in the bed. It's
Or go to the other side.
yeah. If it's a king size bed, that's a long ways over.
Right.
Or if the bed's against the wall, then it's an issue. But you'll work it out.
Okay, this is a giveaway. The C2 massage gun.
And it is a very, very
It's
nice.
our best seller.
It is.
Yeah.
Yep. And it is a nice gun. It's got extremely good stall force. It has all the heads you need for every massage. And we
It's
just
a
love
great
it.
middle of the road gun.
It is. It is.
Good
All right.
quality, not loud.
No, very quiet. It's good. All right.
Unlike you, Ben.
Yeah. I'm a bad boy.
Okay. Good luck, everybody.